Out with the old and in with the new. So after much fanfare, the PlayStation 5 was finally announced, and it is all that we expected and more. And if you missed the official unveiling and announcement and you're wondering what all the fuss is about, I'm here to bring you up to speed. So here's what the PS5 looks like. I can't wait to get my hands on one of these babies. So first, I want to touch on the design. So the PlayStation 5 has an unusual design, not just for the console market, but even for Sony in general. After the understated and streamlined PlayStation 4, the PlayStation 5 comes with a very curvy and futuristic design. And with Sony using white instead of black all across the design, this is a first for Sony and their PlayStation consoles. So next, I'm going to be talking about the variations. So the PS5 actually comes with two different variations. One is the version that comes with an optical disc drive, and the second one is what is called the digital edition. And so with this digital edition, you have no physical games you put into it. All the games are going to be downloaded from the internet and played on this version. Next, we have the accessories. So a number of new accessories have also been announced by Sony. First, we have the 3D wireless headsets. We also have here the DualSense charging station where you can dock two controllers at once to charge. And lastly, we have the HD camera, which will mix the look of the console itself. Next, games. As you would expect, the PlayStation 5 comes with backwards compatibility, which means you can play your favorite PlayStation 4 games on the PlayStation 5. But we've been provided with a glimpse of games made solely for the PS5, which includes Spider-Man Miles Morales, an enhanced version of the Grand Theft Auto 5, the hugely anticipated Horizon 2, a new entry to the Resident Evil franchise, and a whole lot more. Next, we move on to price. So the PlayStation 5 is expected to hit the shelves at a retail price of $10,000. Right, to be honest, speculation shows that it should be released at a price of just $500, which makes it about 200,000 naira thereabouts in Nigeria. So the release date of the PlayStation 5 is yet to be announced, but Sony has mentioned that they want it to come just in time for the holiday season. And so this means you can expect the PS5 to hit the stores between October and November later on this year. So now is a good time to start saving up for the PlayStation 5. It provides a light at the end of the tunnel in what has been a very strenuous year. And so yes, if you love this video, we would like for you to subscribe by clicking on the subscription button below. Please also click on the bell so you'll be alerted anytime we post new and insightful content that you would love. Kindly also follow us on all our social media channels and visit us on jiji.ng.